Hello everyone, today we are going to Chorla Ghat. We are on the way currently. As you can see, we are already in the hills and there is greenery all around. I'll just take a few drone shots and then push up from here. We are currently somewhere near Jamboti and Chorla Ghat is around 25 to 30 kilometers from here. We were going to Chorla Ghat, but looks like the road is blocked over there. Now we have come to this Surla viewpoint. One thing to note about Surla viewpoint is that it is inside a forest area and we need to pay an entry fee of ₹100 per head while entering it. Then we went to Chorla viewpoint. There are a couple of places where you can stop along the highway and enjoy the views. We spent a little over 30 minutes here as well. We then started our journey back home. It rained on our way back and it was finally some relief from the heat. So that's it for this video. It was a really great day of exploring around Belgaum and I loved both these places. Hoping to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye, take care.